What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're recording a react video where we're trying not to react to these top 10 funny fart meme challenges. You guys should also play along with us with the fart sounds. Alright guys, let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, and if we laugh, then we have to restart and go back. So you guys also have to play along.
Oh my god.
Sadie left. Guys, they left. We're restarting.
That was
Wet.
good.
No! I paused it.
Oh my god.
It was about to be the funniest part. We've been practicing and we still can't do it. We've
Yeah,
for like
so-
10 minutes. Alright. Not funny.
No, but
A little one? Nah.
it's like a baby fart.
This is 5. 4.
3.
3. 2. Oh my god, that, like, who makes that sound? Bruh.
Okay, do you like that number 2 fart?
Three, 2.
That's funny, bro.
I sold the clip.
No.
Fine, just end it.
Let's go to that last one.
Okay, guys, last one, because we're taking too long.